You've probably seen thousands of videos here telling you to post longer videos, go live for hours for you to get your 4,000 public watch hours. Okay, what if I tell you right now that there is a new smart way? In fact, should I call it the most smartest way for you to actually get these 4,000 watch hours with ease, no stress at all? The good news is that this particular trick, I used it recently to monetize the YouTube channel. So just try your best to make sure you pay attention to every detailed information that I'm going to be sharing with us right now in this video. And believe me when I say you're going to get that 4,000 public watch hours in no time, okay? And with that much being said, let's get straight into the video. So now, first of all, why do we need watch hour, or why does watch hour actually matter? Now, to monetize a YouTube channel, you need 4,000 public watch hours and 1,000 subscribers for you to qualify for the YouTube partnership program. But here is one thing I need you to understand today. Aside from this monetization aspect, watch hour is one of the algorithm biggest signal, and also one of the biggest secrets that most small YouTubers don't know is that watch hour actually comes faster when viewers do not watch only one of your video but watch as many video on your channel. And this also signal the YouTube algorithm, and at the end of the day they will fall in love with your channel, because you need to understand that YouTube prioritize channel that keeps viewers watching for long. Yeah, so now the question is, how do I actually get this watch hour faster? First of all, there are some mistakes that most small YouTubers are making. I'm going to be listing them out before we delve into what you need to start doing ASAP for you to start building that watch hour on your channel. Now, the very first thing is that most small YouTubers are always making this mistake of, okay, for the fact that I need to get watch hours on my channel, I need to go live every single day and I need to upload longer videos. That is why sometimes a video that is meant to be 4 minutes or 5 minutes, but for the fact that, oh, this YouTuber said if I post longer videos I'm going to get that long watch hour, you go ahead and you make the video unnecessarily long. Now, once a viewer click on your video to watch and the viewer doesn't get that vital information from the very beginning of that video, the viewer will just likely skip. No matter how great that your video is, that single act alone is going to limit that video visibility. I was doing a channel review for one of my students back then, and she was like, "Princess, almost all the video on my channel, they're not supposed to pass 4 minutes because I don't even know what I am explaining. But for the fact that I am looking for a watch hour, that's why I had to make it 11-12 minutes. So I'll be like, how do you manage to occupy all those space? She'll be like, I just throw random thing, or I keep explaining one particular point over and over again. No. If you can upload a video that is 5 minutes and you manage to get like 3 minutes average view duration, or even 2 minutes average view duration, that is a whole lot. That is actually better than uploading a 12 minutes or even 10 minutes video and you're having 1 minute or 40 seconds average view duration. It's going to be very, very low. The so-called watch hour that you are looking for is going to be low. So from now henceforth, if your video is meant to be 5 minutes, go ahead and upload it. Do not waste time on it, okay? And the next thing is going live. If you know that, okay, going live is actually exhausting and my channel does not need this, you mustn't go live every single day. And another big mistake also is uploading random content. Maybe because you saw this particular video gave this viewer maybe high engagement, you feel, oh, let me go ahead and make that particular video, let me go ahead and make this other video. That is how from time to time you will not even know when you start deviating from your main core audience. This particular thing actually happened to me, and all these things was what actually slowed my growth on this my main channel. It took me just less than 2 months to monetize my lifestyle channel, but on this channel it took me a whole going to almost 6 months because of all these mistakes. It was when I discovered them and I started working on it, that was how I was able to get my remaining 2,000 watch hours to monetize my YouTube channel. So if you're out there making some of all these mistakes, you just have to calm down, okay? So now the question is, what do you need to do? in order for these watch hours to start coming faster. So now there is this new strategy that actually worked out for me in 2025, which I call the connected video method. And this is how it works. So now, instead of posting randomly, try your best to first of all understand your core audience, your niche, and know what people are actually interested in for that your channel. Then after that, go ahead and create 3 to 5 similar content together. This particular thing worked out for me so well. Now, for example, let's assume that you are in my niche, YouTube growth and tutorial niche. Now, if you check out, there are some topics that are alike very well. Just like, for example, somebody click on your channel and watch a video about how to get 1,000 subscribers. Maybe you showed a particular method, then your next video is the step-by-step procedure on how to achieve that particular thing. Then your next video is maybe another strategy on getting watch hour to still hit same monetization. I don't know if you're getting my point. Now, that particular viewer that actually clicked on that first video or the second video to watch, as long as you are able to like pass your information faster and also let the viewer to know that okay, so video is also on your channel, is going to in return make that viewer to go back to your channel and search for that particular video. And if you check out, each video connects to the other one. Funny enough, I actually learned this trick from one big YouTuber, and I decided to implement it on this my channel. The way my watch hours increased within the past a month plus now, upon I'm not even posting every single day. And I also tried it on a new channel, same result that I am getting. So after being able to create those similar content, another thing you have to do is to put the work, because this thing is more like strategic. So you have to put in the work by always trying to let your viewers to know that okay, there is the remaining part, or there is another series of this particular video on my channel, which they have to go ahead to watch it. And one thing you need to understand is that if a viewer clicks on your channel after watching a particular video, that viewer decide to check out your same channel to click on another video, it passes signal to the YouTube algorithm, and it also gives you more watch hour from the same viewer. So you really don't have to sleep on this particular point. Okay, now the question is, how do I actually implement this step by step on my channel? I'm going to be giving us key guidelines for you to actually follow and implement this particular strategy on your channel. So now this is what you need to do. First of all, no matter what, make sure that your hook is at least between 15 seconds to 30 seconds, and let it be attention grabbing enough. You know, if a viewer comes across the channel for the very first time, that viewer does not know you from Adam. So it's how convincing you are that is actually going to make that viewer to stay and watch your video. And you know that if people are skipping your video hook or your intro, it's also going to bring that retention down on your channel, and it's going to affect that video visibility. So now, after being able to work on your hook, the next thing you need to try your best to do is, after creating those similar video, try to pile them into one particular playlist. I keep repeating this today, tomorrow, and next year. As long as YouTube system has not changed, playlist is a banger. Like, playlist works a lot on YouTube. If you don't know how to create playlist, I'll be linking a video on the comment section. Then if you don't see it, just drop a comment and I'll share the video with you. Go ahead and learn how to create playlist. It's not hard. It's just you bringing together some similar videos on your channel, or just click on my channel and go through my playlist. You'll be able to understand more videos on maybe how to cook so dish, pile them together. Videos on bedtime prayer about this, pile them together. Similar videos on your channel, bring them together and give it a title, give it a description. Then each time you are adding an end screen and YouTube card to your video, always add playlist. You see end screen, YouTube card and playlist. Each time I'm talking about watch hours and I don't mention it, just remind me, because they actually work. These 3 tools, when I took it seriously on YouTube, it gave me a lot of watch hour. The mistake that, or sometimes most of us do this thing and we don't get the result, is because we are not using it the right way. You have to make every playlist on your channel alive on your new upload. And if you're wondering how can I be able to do that, now when you upload a video, you have to add end screen and YouTube cards to that video, right? Now when selecting end screen for the video, make sure you add playlist, if possible 2 playlists, and same thing goes to YouTube card. I might be dropping maybe a short video clip for you to actually understand what I'm trying to say. That is for those of us who are actually new to the end screen and YouTube cards game. So after achieving this, the next thing you need to do not sleep on this particular one. Use community posts to push your videos. Now for this strategy that I just shared, it might not give you that 4,000 watch hours in 2 weeks, in 1 week, in 1 month. It can even give you in 3 weeks. It can even give you in 2 weeks. It depends on how you work towards it. So it's not a shortcut, it's not a fast method for you to boom do it overnight and get those watch hours. No, it's actually going to help you to start accumulating those watch hour, and also expose your channel more to the YouTube algorithm. Once the YouTube algorithm falls in love with your channel, it's over for you, because they are going to keep recommending your videos from time to time. And just like I said earlier on, YouTube loves channel that keeps viewers watching. That is why you have to start working on your retention and your average view duration. Hit the nail on its head. Once a viewer clicks to watch on your video, you mustn't make every video long because you want the watch hour. I did that mistake, and I wouldn't advise anybody to do it. Okay, now if you're struggling with finding out the best time to upload for you to actually get that maximum visibility on your channel, this is a video that you need to go ahead and check out. And also, every year YouTube brings in new updates and the other. So there are some new strategy that actually work in 2024 that do not work anymore. And on this particular video, I shared it on this video. So what you have to do, go ahead and engage on this video. Okay, so that is going to bring us to the very end of this video. Now do well to make sure to like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share. And as always, I'll see you all in my next video. Okay.